Hi, I'm Heather. I'm the executive assistant at Boys and Girls Country, and I give Ramp a 5 out of 5. Prior to Ramp, we were using Amex Business, and issues we were having were being able to download receipts in a timely manner and match that up online. And we chose Ramp just because of its very user friendly, its versatility. You're able to give virtual cards to anyone at any time. You can cut those cards off at any time you need to. The ability to download receipts is extremely quick, and we loved also the fact that it downloads Amazon receipts automatically. Getting started with Ramp was really easy. Basically, we just had to roll it out to the employees. We just basically told them about it at a staff meeting, and we were slowly able to, actually, I should say quickly, able to start using it. I was one of the first to start using it just to give it a trial run. Very easy for me, extremely user friendly. Very happy with it, and all of the employees seem to, so far, be very happy with it. If there's anyone that's thinking about getting Ramp, I would absolutely say do it. To this date, I have not found any negative drawbacks from using this. Especially love the fact that you can download receipts at any time, at any point. It accepts them quickly. It's very easy to use even when you go online to their app. I have not found a single thing, a negative thing about Ramp.